Alright, just unbox these. These are carbon fiber mirror caps. It's a company out in Poland called ECPS, and they do a lot of different carbon fiber parts for Aston Martin. These are going to be going on a 2013 V8 Vantage, which is right over there if I can get the focus. So hopefully it'll be a pretty straightforward installation. Got some trim tools I'll be using to pop these off and then swap them out, and then eventually we'll get down to the side strakes. Alright, so we got that guy in there, and then you're gonna put another one in here?
Yeah, right there. Come, there it is.
Alright, we're caught here. Oh, beautiful. There are tabs.
The new one has no tabs.
Okay, so just pulled the mirror cap off. Pretty successful. Didn't break any tabs. This one's a little bit different than the older gen ones where I guess it had 4 tabs, but we have 1, 2, and then 3. And they're pretty shallow, so far so good. So this is what it looks like without the cap on. And it looks like we have the tab slot right here, and then all the way over here, I don't know if you can see that, but there is, focuses, but there's like a tab over here that it clips into. But yeah, so the new carbon fiber caps do not have tabs at all, so if you look here, it's just kind of like a clean cut, but it does have a nice lip where it tucks right into this top side here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's that lip right along that edge there. And so I guess our plan, it sits pretty snug, but I'm afraid it's going to just flop out when it gets any wind under there. But I'm going to put double-sided tape kind of all around this edge here that it catches. And then we'll go ahead and, yeah, just like that, and we'll go ahead and put it nice and tight. Right, went ahead and put some double-sided tape right around the lip area where it'll catch.
Don't touch it.
You know? And,
don't ruin the stick.
We'll go ahead and put this on. Go around to the top here, make sure it catches them.
And then get a little press. Actually, in here in this corner. And the great thing about double-sided tape is you don't know if it's worked until it breaks.
All right, well there she goes. Okay, we're gonna go on the left side of the car, and just like there was 2 tabs, I think there's one right here, and a very little one right here, and then there's one on the side here, so I'm gonna try to kind of prop up from here, and then work my way around. So hold on to those. Let's see if we can get this guy kind of matched in here. Oh, there it is, there's one.
Come over here next.
Stick that in there for now. The other guy. Okay, so that one popped out, and then
Last one.
the last one's over here. So I think we shift that way.
Nope. Don't do that.
No, not so much.
No. You gotta get. Because it's still a tab right here. There it is. There it is.
So we do shift a little that way and pop it up. And you can see that all the tabs, there's one here, which is the one that clicks into here. Another one here, which was about where this bend is. And then one right here that falls into here. Kind of sits right here. So I stuck the first one in, got this first tab out, and then got the second one. So no tabs broken. We get to salvage this. This is perfect. So go ahead and put the carbon fiber parts on next. Okay, so we went ahead and put double-sided tape here, 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 just kind of all along the edges, and then one you can't see here, but it's along where the inside of the tab sits. We're going to go in from the top here, slide them in. You're going to watch over here, make sure you get that first tab in, aligned, and then we're going to go ahead and push that guy in first. Okay. You think you got it in?
Yeah.
I think it's in.
It's there.
And the gap's the same, right?
Yep.
Same. The lines are pretty clean.
Yeah, no, that's, hang on. That lines up.
And that's it. Alright, kind of shake it, make sure it's not gonna... Yeah, that's...
Let it set for a sec. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright,
Cool.
and that's it. Carbon fiber mirror caps. Alright guys, I just finished up installing the carbon mirror caps from ECPS, and it was a relatively easy install. It was pretty daunting at first because I really didn't want to snap the plastic tabs off, but this came off relatively easy, and the fitment is perfect. I mean, the lines, the gaps are pretty much all equal, just like the OEM ones, and there's no defect in the carbon and the finish. So I really want to thank the ECPS group out in Poland, and I will definitely be getting more carbon fiber pieces from them for this car. So mirror caps, 2013 Aston Martin V8 Vantage. So let me know if you have any questions.